Welcome guys. So in this video I'm going to show you some basic navigation shortcuts. So over here I have Google Chrome and I have a couple of tabs open. So how I can navigate between tabs is simply by using Control Tab, and it will take me to the next tab. And I can go on forever, and when I reach the last one it's going to take me to the first one again, and so on. If I want to go backwards, then just add a shift, so Control Shift Tab, and then Control Tab forwards, Control Shift Tab backwards. You can even use numbers to go to a specific tab. So it's from Control 1 to 9. So if I do Control 1, I'm already on the first one. If I do Control 5, that's fifth one. Control 8, that's eighth one. And the Control 9 will be the last one. So it ignores everything that's between 8 and 9. Open a new tab is Control T. And I'll close it. If there's a tab that you finished with and you want to close it, then you use Control W. And if you accidentally close a tab and you want to reopen it, Control Shift T. To make a new window, you use Control N. And I'll close it again using Control W. To go in incognito mode is Control Shift N. And in incognito mode, it doesn't save any of your data, so you can use the internet privately. And I'll close that again. And these shortcuts work similarly in other apps such as Firefox. In Firefox, if I do Control Tab, it's going to take me to the most recent tab instead of the next tab. And as you can see, I was on the fourth one and it took me to the third one, so Control Tab again takes me back to this because it was the most recent one. Unfortunately, Control Shift Tab doesn't work, but the numbers do work. Control T to open a new tab, Control W, and Control Shift D. Control N makes a new window, Control W closes it, incognito, Control Shift P. So it's similar to Chrome except it's with a P instead of an N. And then over here I have Edge. It works the exact same as Google Chrome, so Control Tab, I have Control Shift Tab, and the numbers. Control T to open a new tab, and I'll close it. Control W, and Control Shift T. Now there's a shortcut that Microsoft Edge and Mozilla Firefox have that Google Chrome doesn't, and it's Control M. And what this does is that it mutes the tab. And if I go here, there's a lot of options, and it says unmute tab because I just muted it. Now if I do Control M again, it unmutes it. If I go here, now it says mute tab because I just unmuted it. Same thing for Firefox. So Control M, and I can actually see the icon. And if I do Control M again, it unmutes it. Control N, new window, Control W, Control Shift N, incognito, or they call it in private, and it's the same shortcut as Chrome. Close that again. Next up, we have the app navigation shortcut, which is simply Alt Tab. This also shows me a brief overview of all the apps I have, and I can just keep on doing Alt Tab to go to the app that I want. I can also do Alt Shift Tab, and I can use arrows, so Alt left, right, I can do up and down. Next is Windows Tab, which also gives me a brief overview of all the apps I have, and I can just go to the one I want. And another option here is a desktop, and this helps you organize your things. For example, if you have work stuff and you have home stuff, you can make a desktop for work and another desktop for home. So I'm just going to do new desktop, and over here I have 0 apps. Now if I go back and I close this, so the shortcut to make a new desktop is Windows Control D, and it makes a new one. So back here, to navigate between them is Control Windows right, and then Control Windows left. And to delete one, I'm going to go back to the empty one. To delete one is Control Windows F4, and I'll close it. And if I do Windows Tab again, I have 0 desktops. Another way you can navigate between apps is also by using numbers, just like you would do in Control 1, 2, 3. So it's Windows instead of Control, so Windows 1, Windows 2, Windows 3, all the way up to 9. And this actually ignores everything after 9, unlike the other apps that we saw. So when you do Windows 9, it's just going to go to the 9th app instead of the last app. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you want more videos like this, please let us know down below in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notifications bell. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.